Struggling to answer questions on simultaneous equations? Let's answer an exam question together using elimination. 3 teas and 2 coffees have a total cost of £7.80, and 5 teas and 4 coffees have a total cost of £14.20. Now what I've done is I've used some algebraic terms to represent the price of 1 tea and the price of 1 coffee. Now I'm going to use these to formulate some sort of equation from the 2 statements given in the question. These equations would be as follows. 3t plus 2c is equal to 7.80, which comes from the very first statement, and equally we have 5t plus 4c being equal to £14.20. Now, the method of elimination dictates that we need to have the same number in front of t or c in both equations. Because that isn't the case at the moment, we can achieve that by multiplying this first equation by 2. If we go ahead and do that, we would obtain 6t plus 4c being equal to 15.60, and the second remains as it is, so it's going to be 5t plus 4c equal to 14.20. At this stage, you either add or subtract both equations. Now that is decided by the sign of the variable you have made the same. Because our 4c's have the same sign, we're going to subtract the equations, and if they had different signs we would have added them, but because they're the same we're going to subtract. So we subtract the corresponding bits from each equation, or the top equation from the bottom one. 6t minus 5t, well that just leaves us with 1t, and because the 4c's are identical they cancel out, so we're left with nothing. 15.60 minus 14.20 gives us 1.40. Now that means the price of 1t is equal to £1.40. Now, let's choose to substitute into this very first equation, which said 3t plus 2c must be equal to £7.80. So, 3 lots of 1.40 plus 2c must be equal to 7.80. Expand the first term and we get 4.20 plus 2c is equal to 7.80. Subtract 4.20 from both sides to get 2c is equal to 360, and so c is equal to 1.80. Now this is the price of 1 coffee. Now all we need to do is just input our values into the answer lines. And that is how we solve simultaneous equations using elimination.